will attack, sir.
Yeah. So if you observe here, these honeybees, they will attack the humans or a person and it will start injecting some kind of acidic liquid. Is it yes or no? So if honeybees sting a person, so definitely what they will do, they will inject some acidic solution, acidic liquid. So that acidic liquid is only we used to called as formic acid. What we should call? Formic acid. Very, very important. So what will happen? It is injecting formic acid. It means in the sense of what? We used to get some kind of pain and irritation on our body. Is it yes or no? So it will inject the formic acid, which will cause us, actually that sting is also stuck with our body only. So once actually that sting is only contains this formic acid. So once it will bite, because of hardness of our skin, it will be broken there itself, and slowly that it is going inside our body. So that is why you can see once the honeybee will bite, immediately we have to remove that stings, because if not, the swelling is more and more, because of more formic acid will be inserted in our body and it will be causing more irritating and painful also. Even some people are there, some cases people used to die because of honeybee stings. Do you know it? Because of honeybees attack, so many cases in there. Understand? Because of more and more they will attack, then it will lead to the death also. Do you understand, all of you? Yes, that much dangerous it is. Very, very dangerous. Now, if you observe, these honeybees, when they will bite or when they will sting a person, it will inject an acidic liquid. What is that acidic liquid, Ra? What is that acidic liquid? Formic acid. What is that? Formic acid. Nobody is answering. So, what is that acid? Which will cause us immense pain. Immense pain means very severe, and also irritation. Immense pain and irritation. Now, if you'll see, if whenever the honeybee bite you or else will sting you anytime in the future also, for example, unfortunately sometimes, understand, then immediately you have to rubbing a mild base like baking soda. What do we have to do? Immediately we have to treatment for that. So it is releasing acid, so we have to make it neutralize. So we have to add with water. We have to rub with a mild base called as water, baking soda. Please, all of you remember, baking soda. With the help of baking soda solution and where the stung area, wherever it has been stung, understanding in that area, we have to what? We have to rubbing. Do you understand? Rubbing with water, rubbing with a mild base like baking soda. Understand? So when you will baking soda solution, if you add baking soda solution, what will happen? Anybody? What will happen? Formic acid and baking soda. What will happen, Ra? They will be neutralized. You understand? Baking soda neutralize the acidic liquid which is injected by the sting, and it will cancels its effect. We'll get the relief from it. Means in the sense of both will become neutralized, so that we won't feel that much irritation and painful. That is what you have to remember, all of you. Is it okay? Please tell me, Ra. Yes or no? Yes, like that. I will show you another kind of thing. Do you know wasp stings? How many of you know wasp stings? Have you seen that anytime? Yes or no? If not, I will show you, because very, very important. Wasp stings. Do you know wasp stings? I am asking you. Yes or no?
No, sir.
1 minute. Wasp stings, if you'll observe. So this wasp stings, which acid is present in wasp stings? I will show you the images also. Observe very carefully. So wasp sting means like a honeybees. Another thing will be there. Have you noticed it is not honeybee? Like we can say in Telugu, we can say kandiriga. In Tamil, what we should say? Wasp. Tamil, what we say? I will show you the animal. Can you able to see? 1 minute. Wasp, you guys don't know. Like honeybees only it will be, man. Please tell me, Ra. No, don't know. Can I show you that?
Tamil, sir.
1 minute. I will show you, then you people can understand. Like honeybees only, but they won't produce honeybees. They used to produce it's not like honey. This is, have you noticed it? This is this is honeybee, like wasps, man. Some like bees, which are like how I can show you. This is, you may notice it in our plants and all. Some kind of like this shelter they used to make. This is called as wasps. Do you understand, Ra? Wasp. Nobody
Sir,
is
in
asking
Tamil we
like
used to call
honeybees.
this as Kulavi,
Yeah,
sir.
like honeybees only. In home also sometimes it used to come. Have you noticed it? Once it will
Sir,
bite,
in
like
Tamil we used to call this as Kulavi, sir.
what we should call?
In Tamil we used to call this as Kulavi, sir.
Oh, I don't know. You can say that. Do you know, guys? You guys don't know that? Okay. So like this wasp thing also, like honeybees only, they will be looks like a honeybees only. So if you observe here, it will inject an alkaline liquid into the skin. So wasp stings inject water. They will inject the alkaline, not the acidic in nature. So they will make the alkaline liquid. Alkaline liquid means what? Base or acid? Base or acid? Please tell me. Alkaline liquid, is it a base or acid? That is what I am asking. Anybody? So wasp stings, whenever it will bite, they will be injecting alkaline liquids. Are you there in meeting, anyone? So they will inject the alkaline liquid, so which is in basic in nature. Now, when it is injected the alkaline liquid, too much basic, strong acid, then we have to treat it with acid or base. It is injecting alkaline, means base. We have to treat it with what? We have
Acid.
to
Acid.
rubbing a
Acid.
mild acid. Understanding? We have to use rubbing with all of you should remember this. Very, very important for MCQs. Rubbing with a mild acid. Mild acid. What do you mean by mild? Every time I am using mild, not strong. That is what you have to remember. Not strong acid. Mild means which is having a low concentration. Understand? So mild acid like vinegar. What we have to add? Vinegar. Understand? Vinegar on the stung area of the skin, which will give you the immediate relief. What it will give? Immediate relief. That is what you have to remember. Are you understand? Please tell me. Yes or no? So because why vinegar is in what? Vinegar is in water. Vinegar is in acidic in nature. So it will react with this alkaline liquid which is released by the wasp sting and it will neutralize us. Do you understand? Yes or no? Now, suppose in our home, you may see a small red ants will be there. Red color, black color, and big color, big ants also will be there. Have you noticed it? Black, big ants and all. Yes or no? Nobody's answering. Ant. Do you know ants? Ants, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So if you'll observe ants in our home, these ants also, whenever they will bite, it will cause us very painful. Have you noticed it? I think I have been affected so many times. Red color ants, small ants, when they will bite us, it will be more painful. Is it yes or no? We'll get more irritation also. So these ants, when they will sting our body, that injects the methanoic acid. What acid? What acid? Methanoic acid. Methanoic acid into the skin of a person and it will cause us burning pain. What it will cause us? Burning pain. All of you should remember. Now, if it is injecting the acid, we have to treat it with what? Anybody can say? What we have to treat it? Akil Arfan, Anusri? It is releasing the acid which is causing burning pain. We have to treat it with what? A mild base. Like what? A mild base like what? Anybody? Respond, please. Mild base like baking soda. What is that? Baking soda on the affected area of the skin. So that baking soda is basic in nature. It is acidic in nature. Both will get water. Both will get neutralize the reaction. That is what you have to remember it. All of you. Write it. Understand? Now 3 I have been taught you. What are that? Anybody can say? First one is what? Honeybees. Honeybees, what it is? You have to speak, Ra. What is the honeybees contains? Honeybees contains what?
Acid. Acid, sir.
Acid in nature. So we have to treat it with what? We have to treat it with what?
Mild base.
What? A mild base called as. What is that mild base? What is that mild base? Nobody is answering. What is that mild base?
Baking soda, sir. Baking soda.
Like next one, if we'll take. What is that? Wasp sting. Correct or not? So wasp sting. What is the wasp sting? Wasp sting what? Basic in nature? Yeah, it is alkaline solution. So we have to add what? We have to treat it with acid called as vinegar. Next, again, if you take anti-sting. So anti-sting, what it contains? Methanoic acid. Understand? So that methanoic acid is only called as what? Methanoic acid, we have to treat it with what? Nobody is answering. We have to treat it with a mild base called as baking soda. Now, this is regarding animals. Now, animals are birds. Now, if it comes to the plants also same thing. If we'll say plants are no better than animals. Even plants can cause us, at least these animals can cause us only irritating and painful, but plants can even kill also when they will stung, or else when their body parts will touch by us. Some plants, even our skin will touch also, it will cause us to the death. That much severe harmful chemicals they will inject into the body. So now if you take the plants are not better than animals. So some plants also give painful stings. For example, nettle plant. Do you know nettle plant? How many of you know nettle plants? Yes or no? Please tell me. So if you take this nettle plant, it is actually a wild hibiscus plant. What is that? Herbaceous plant. Understand, Ra? So it is only found in jungles. Where we can find? Ra? Jungles. So these nettle leaves have stinging hair. I will show you. So they are having what? They are having what? Stinging hair. If you touch it, it will stick to your body. So now, when a person happens to touch these leaves of a nettle plant accidentally, not intentionally, accidentally, so the stinging hair of nettle leaves, injecting methanoic acid. Again, which acid? Which acid? Respond, methanoic acid into the skin of a person who has been touching, which will causing burning skin. Again, burning skin. So the nettle plants also contains which acid? Which acid? Methanoic acid. So immediately the nettle sting being acidic, it can be neutralized by rubbing with water. It can be neutralized by rubbing with what again? A strong base, mild base. What is that? How many times? You have to tell me. Neutralize by rubbing with what?
Mild base.
Baking soda. What is that, Padmashini? Baking soda. Understand, Karthikeyan? Arun Karthikeyan? Aravind Ganapati?
Sir, what is the piece of baking soda, sir?
Baking soda basic in nature, Baking soda is basic in nature. So basic in nature means what is happening? So base plus acid will react, it will be neutralized. Do you understand? That is, you have to remember it. Okay, va? Okay. So now you will see, even nature itself, suppose I don't have baking soda, I am in forest, sir, then who will provide the baking soda? So here, nature itself, we have some remedy for the nettle stings in the form of dog plants. For example, sir, I am in foreign. Suppose you, Dina, Arya, you all went for trekking. So unfortunately, somebody has been affected by these nettle stings. So they are getting more painful or irritating. So now, what you guys do means, you guys need to, we don't have a baking soda by the time. So then how to make it? Then we have a natural remedy also. What is that called as? Natural remedy. Understand, all of you? So this natural remedy means we have a nettle wherever this nettle stings in the form of dog plants also. They will provide it for the another kind of plant called as dog plants. What we should call? Dog plant. So these are the remedy for the nettle stings. Means these are basic in nature. So natural remedy are traditional remedy. Very very important MCQ. Traditional remedy for nettle plants. They can ask you. So what is that? What is the traditional remedy? Dog plants. Understand all of you? So we have to take these dog plants and wherever it has been, like a nettle stings, wherever they are present, you have to apply this dog plant leaves so that it will be neutralized immediately. Are you understanding, Ra? So the nettle leaf sting is rub the stung area of the skin of the person with a leaf of dog plant, which is often grows beside the nettle plants in the jungle. So same place wherever the nettle plants you can find, near to them you can find definitely the dog plants, because this is a natural remedy, and you can search for it and you can immediately rub on the area where the nettle plant stings are being stuck. So immediately you will get the relief on it. Do you understand, Ra? Yes or no? Yes? Because why, sir? These dog plants, if you take, they contain some basic chemicals. What chemicals? It contains
Basic
chemicals, understanding in them, which will neutralize the acid stings of the nettle plants, and it will use the relief. That is what you have to remember it. So this dog plants is the remedy, natural remedy or traditional remedy for what? Nettle stings. Understanding nettle stings are plants. This is all about the importance of pH value in our daily life. The fourth importance is self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. Are you understand, all of you? Please tell me. Now, I will ask you two MCQ questions. If you'll answer that, then we can end this class. Okay. So plus now, what is the first question? Yes. Right. The first question. First MCQ questions. First MCQ questions. Can I say? Right.
Yes, sir.
Bee sting contains which acid? Bee sting contains what? Bee stings.
Formic acid.
Bee stings. Bee sting.
Formic acid.
Formic acid, sir.
Formic acid.
Acid.
Honeybee sting, no, sir.
What? Bee stings. Yeah, honeybees. Honeybees.
Formic acid.
Formic acid.
Yes. I am asking one question. Right. A solution turns blue litmus to red. Blue litmus to red. A solution turns blue to red color. Blue to red color. Its pH is likely to be how much? What is the pH value? Options also I am giving you. So the pH value is 7.
Less than 7. Less than 7.
pH
Less
value
than 7.
is 8.
5, sir.
And pH value is 14. Can you able to say?
5,
Five.
sir.
5.
Red color in the sense of what? It is turning into what?
Acid.
Acid. That is what you have to
Acid.
remember it. Now, next one. Wasp sting. I have shown you like honeybees, another kind of like flies will be there. That is what called as wasp sting. So wasp sting contains what? Acidic solution or alkaline solution. Sorry, salt solution.
Alkaline solution.
Alkaline solution.
Alkaline solution, sir.
So that is
Alkaline
what
solution.
remember, sir. Why you are not saying that alkaline solution? Actually, alkaline solution, it is a mixture of some kind of basic solution. That is why there is no particular substance which is present in that. That is why we can say, virtually I am hearing you. So whenever we can ask wasp sting, it contains a bases. What bases? Some alkaline liquids it contains. Understand, Ra? Like sodium hydroxide, etc., etc. There is no particular thing. That is why commonly we can say, what is that? Alkaline liquid. Understand, all of you? That is you have to remember. Now, the acid produced naturally in our stomach is Naturally in our stomach is
HCl.
Hydrochloric acid.
Very good. Now, one question I want to ask you. This is the most important MCQ. So please, all of you write that and we can end it. Right. The daffodil plants, some plants I'm saying, the daffodil plants grow best in soil, having pH range of 6 to 6.5. What? 6 to 6.5. Purinjicha? Daffodil plants.
Sir.
Now,
Sir.
if the soil in a garden means your soil in a garden, soil in garden, soil in garden has a pH of 4.5. 4.5. Which substance needs to be added to soil in order to grow the daffodil?
Quicklime or snake lime or chalk.
What?
Chalk or calcium
Lime.
carbonate.
Lime.
Lime. Lime,
Take the
sir.
lime or
Lime.
chalk.
Sir,
Lime.
sir,
Sir, lime, sir.
Lime.
Lime.
Means also we can call it as what? Lime also called as
Quicklime.
Is it a
Slate
Lime.
lime, sir.
quick lime? Quick lime.
Lime,
Like lime. Lime also we can call it as quick lime. Is it a sir? No. Quick lime. What is the formula? Calcium oxide. So why
Calcium
it
oxide.
will increase the
Calcium
pH? Is it a sir? No. If you add it, it will increase the pH value. So that the plants, daffodil plants can grow well. All of you should remember. If those who are getting confusing with the quick lime and slake lime, alphabets Q will come first or S will come first? Anybody?
Q. Yes.
Or S?
Sir.
Q,
Q, sir.
that is, so always should remember Q will come first. That is why this is quick lime. Understand? And this is what? Slake lime. Slake lime second and quick lime first. Quick lime also we can call it as what? Lime, simply.
Lime.
Okay, quick lime, calcium oxide. Slake lime, calcium hydroxide.
CaOH, right?
Confused with this. Understand? Quick Q will come first, Q. CS will come next. That's all. So that is you have to be remember very carefully. Is it okay, all of you? Understand? Bhumika? Yes, that is very important. So in exam, like these questions only going to be coming. Daffodil plants, like these questions only they are going to ask for you. So be very careful with that. I will give you the worksheet of this basis by today evening around 60 questions I will give you. So whenever you are free, you can complete it. Very, very important and very nice questions I will send you. So then with this, I will start the today's class. Then tomorrow we'll start the last concept of this chapter. What is that called as? Salts. Okay.